Hey guys, we forgot to show you these. Yep, these are dirt bikes. Our cousin out there, Bryce, you said we don't have one. Well, look who's wrong. Helmet. You have all safety gear. And that's it. Peace out. Bye.